If you're a fan of Rimjim, then you're in for an exciting discussion because the latest promo has given viewers plenty to talk about. The upcoming episode appears to raise the stakes with suspense, mystery, and several unanswered questions that could lead to major changes in the story. From what the promo suggests, Samir and Rimjim seem to be taking a bold step in their search for the truth. Their plan appears to be carefully thought out, showing how determined they have become after everything they have faced. Instead of acting emotionally, they seem focused on gathering information that could finally challenge Babaji's influence. One of the most interesting aspects of the promo is the disguise. This creates suspense because it places the main characters in a risky situation where even a small mistake could expose them. Scenes like these usually keep viewers engaged since the tension comes from wondering whether the plan will succeed or fail. Another talking point is Babaji's confidence. Throughout the story, he has often appeared calm and in control. However, the latest promo hints that this confidence may finally be tested. Whether he truly loses control or still has another plan hidden from everyone remains one of the biggest questions. The promo also hints that important information may finally come to light. If that happens, it could completely change how several characters view Babaji. At the same time, viewers should remember that television dramas often use promos to build excitement, so the full episode may still contain unexpected twists. Guruma's role is equally interesting. The promo leaves enough mystery to keep fans guessing about her true intentions. Is she aware of everything happening around her, or is there another side to her story that has not yet been revealed? This uncertainty adds another layer of suspense. Samir continues to stand out as someone who is willing to take risks for the truth. His determination has become one of the strongest parts of the story. Rimjim also shows courage and intelligence, making the two of them a powerful team whenever they work together. If their plan succeeds, the story could move in a completely new direction. Long hidden secrets may finally be questioned, relationships could change, and several characters may be forced to make difficult decisions. On the other hand, if the plan fails, the consequences could be even more dangerous for Samir and Rimjim. Another possibility is that the writers introduce a surprise twist that no one is expecting. Many television dramas build suspense by making viewers believe one outcome is certain before revealing something completely different. That is why fans are eagerly waiting for the full episode instead of relying only on the promo. The emotional side of the story is also worth watching. Beyond the suspense, the episode may explore trust, betrayal, and the consequences of keeping secrets. These emotional moments often become the most memorable scenes in a drama. Overall, the latest promo promises an entertaining episode filled with mystery, tension, and dramatic confrontations. Whether the truth is finally revealed or the mystery continues, viewers can expect plenty of exciting moments. What are your predictions? Do you think Samir and Rimjim will achieve their goal? Do you believe Babaji still has another trick hidden up his sleeve? And what role will Guruma play when everything starts to unfold? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to know your theories about what might happen next. If you enjoyed this discussion, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Rimjim reviews, previews, and discussions.